Hi, everyone. I just finished doing the news segment on CBS where I made this amazing Bloody Mary for Father's Day. And I also created a breakfast pizza to go along with the Bloody Mary for a Father's Day package. And why I made those two drinks is because the products inside are really dynamite. And I want to share those with you. So the pizza is going to go in my Unni pizza oven. And here's the pizza. And the Unni pizza oven is amazing. It gets super hot so that it will cook this pizza in like a minute and a half. It's run on propane. You can put it outside. And what I love about the Unni is that it's portable. So it's really easy to take with you, leave in your backyard, bring it when you're camping because it runs on propane. And you get true pizza from a real pizza oven. You can always use your oven, but there's something really special about fire cooked pizza in a pizza oven. The other ingredient that I loved and I showcased today in my Bloody Mary is Neft Vodka. So Neft, and I love the container and the canister. It's a premium vodka. And what I love about the name is this means oil in Russia. So it's like an oil can full of vodka, premium, no sugar added. And yes, there are some brands that add sugar, but in Neft, it comes with the purest water. It's made in the style of Russian vodka. So it's premium. You're going to love it. I also showcased some healthy things for dad. So one of the most important things that I feel is really great is a scale to kind of gauge where you are. Now I'm going to show you a scale that's not just any scale. This scale will, of course, measure your weight. It's a withing scale, but it will also measure your fat mass, bone mass, and muscle mass. It's like the SpaceX of scales. It's fantastic. It's only $100, and it's a great gift for dad. So now you have some choices. You can get a pizza oven for dad and make a pizza. You can get some really amazing vodka and make a Bloody Mary, and you're all set. You could do one, either, or just make the pizza and the drink and have them go by the pizza oven or the vodka. A couple other things that are fun for dad. Some proteins. I love Bubs Naturals. Again, I'm all about keeping things pure, and Bubs does that with this collagen protein. They also have an MCT powder, which is completely pure, and it's delicious. Country Archer Provisions is now finally the first company that I have found that is not adding sugar to their beef jerky in any form, like a maple syrup or anything like that. And they have really great flavors. They're all grass-fed. This one is a mustard barbecue. I think they have others like spicy sesame garlic. So there's a lot of really great choices out there now, finally, with no sugar. Skinny dipped almonds. You know that I love them and they have great flavors. Less sugar than regular, but they just come out with cashews. So this is a new like little line that they have, and it's dark chocolate, salted caramel. And yeah, it's a great snack. No sugar, real ingredients, and 5 grams of plant protein. So another really good healthy alternative for dad. And I'm throwing in these boosts of oxygen too. So if they work out or they're doing whatever and they need a little oxygen, this is a great way to puff and get a few seconds of really great oxygen. It helps improve your workout and it's good for you. So there's some really fun ideas for a healthy dad. Last but not least, if he's not a vodka drinker and he likes whiskey, I just found this Knuckle Noggin. Great name. The label's upside down, which I love. And it is a salted caramel whiskey. So you could do that along with a pizza, but don't forget, you've got great choices and great options for dad. So go out there and wish dad a happy Father's Day.